How many questions should be on the landing page? Okay, I'm not sure what you mean by how many questions. You should have the answers to those questions, I would imagine, because if somebody is looking for a solution to their problem, then they need answers. They've landed up on that page and they are looking for a solution to their problem. You don't want to show more questions to them. So I guess this should be, well, that's also not the right word, answers. I'm just trying to think what you're trying to ask me. Um, it could be that you are asking for a short form or a long form landing page. Which one works better? Both work better. Landing, not form, landing page. It all depends on what is your ask. If you're asking too much, i.e., if you're asking them to buy something, then you may probably need to go for the long form landing page. But if you're just asking for a name and email and you want to offer a downloadable PDF or a masterclass or a cheat sheet or something like that, then a short form is more than enough for those kind of landing pages. I personally tend to go with the short form pages. Very rarely do I go for a long form landing page because of the way I have created our funnel. And it all depends what your funnel is and what you are looking to ask from that person landing on that page. So I think that could be your question to me as to whether it should be a long form or a short form page.